All right, this is page 12 in your notes. You should have already watched the Math Antics video and filled in page 11. So this is just going to go back over everything that he talked about. So, a function is a relation in which each input has exactly one output. And that just means that the x value cannot repeat. We don't care about the y values. So I'm going to look at this map. I have -4 goes to -2, -1 goes to 1, and 1 goes to 1. So there's only one line going off each of my x values. When that happens, it means you have a function. Yes, this is a function. All right, let's look at this next map. 4 to -2, -1 goes to 2, and -1 goes to 0. My problem is right here. That -1 has 2 lines coming off of it. That is illegal. No, this is not a function. In the next one, we're going to look at our x values. That's all we care about. We don't care about the y's. I have a -3, a 1, a 0, and a 2. Nothing is repeating. Yay! Yes, I have a function. Let's look at the x values in the other table. All we care about are x. We don't care about y. I have a -3, 2, 3, and a 2. Do you see where that 2 just repeated? That is illegal. No, this is not a function. Now we're going to just look at the coordinates. All I care about are the x's. -2, 1, 3, 5, 7. Nothing repeated. Yay! I have a function. Let's look at the x values in the next one. -2, 1, 3, 3, 7. Uh-oh, the 3's repeated. So no way, that one is not a function. Now in the video, he talked about doing a vertical line test. So we are going to get our vertical line tester out, and I'm going to see. So this line right here, the purple line I just drew, can only touch my vertical line tester at one place at a time. So let's see. It's okay, it's just touching at one place. It just touches one place. Yay! So this is a function. Yes. Let's try this next one with our vertical line too. It's not touching it at all. That's okay. Oh, it touches one place. Oh, no. Do you see how the purple line touches my green lightsaber in 2 spots? That does not make us happy. That is not a function. Let's see. It's touching it one place, one place, one place, one place, one place. Yay! Function. It's just touching it one time the whole time. So that one's okay too. The same rule applies for dots. So right here, it touches one dot, one dot, one dot, one dot, one dot. That is okay. That makes a lovely function. Let's check the next one. Oh no. Do you see how this one touches the green part and the handle of my lightsaber? That is illegal. That does not make a function. All right, so review the video you watched on Math Antics. Review this video. I need you to do page 13. Gotta sneeze. 14 and 15 in your binder. There's not very many problems per page, and it's just saying yes or no. Thank you.